Hello viewers, today we are talking about Pekka Halonen, a Finnish master of naturalism. Pekka Halonen was a permanent Finnish painter known for his significant contribution to the world of art during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. His work is often associated with the Finnish national romantic movement, a cultural and artistic movement that sought to celebrate Finland's national identity and natural beauty. Helenen's dedication to portraying the Finnish landscapes and its people made him a leading figure in this artistic movement. This biography provides an overview of his life and artistic career, shedding light on the legacy he left behind. Born on September 23rd, 1865, in Lenassalmi, Finland, Pekka Halonen came from a humble background. His early life was deeply connected to the natural world, growing up in the countryside surrounded by the forest and lake that would later become permanent subjects in his artwork. His family's modest means did not deter his artistic ambitions, and he was determined to become a painter from an early age. In pursuit of his dreams, Halonen moved to Helsinki in 1881 to study at the Finnish Art Society's drawing school, which later evolved into the Finnish Academy of Fine Arts. He was under the tutelage of renowned Finnish artistic Eero Jarni-Fillet and Akseli Galen Kalela. These early years of training shaping his artistic vision and introduced him to the prevailing national romantic movement and was gaining momentum in fine art. One of the Halonen's most significant influence was the French Barbizon School, which championed a naturalistic approach to landscape painting. This influence is evident in his work as he often focused on the intimate relationship between humans and nature, depicting serene, idyllic scenes of rural life. His most celebrated work often depict the changing seasons and the harmony between people and the Finnish wilderness. Helenen's career gained momentum when he received the gold medal at the Paris World Exhibition in 1900 for his painting The Cross on the Snow. This international recognition catapulted him to fame and solidified his status as a significant figure in the world of art. The Cross on the Snow remains one of his most iconic works, characterized by its evocative depiction of a snow-covered landscapes with a cross at its center. His oeuvre also includes notable works such as Summer Night and Old Woman with a Cat, showcasing his proficiency in capturing the newness of light and shadow in his naturalistic composition. He excelled in conveying the atmospheric effects of the Finnish landscape, painting lush forests, tranquil lakes, and the unique northern light. Tragically, Pekka Halonen's life was cut short when he passed away on December 1st, 1933 at the age of 68. Despite his relatively short life, his legacy endures through his prolific body of work, which continues to be celebrated and admired by art enthusiasts and scholars worldwide. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel.